Yes, thank you very much. My name is Tube Collins Bolingo. I am the councillor representing the people of Wanyama, the newly elected speaker of this great division, La Ropeje City Division. I am very privileged to God, above all. This has come as a testimony and as a word in the Bible says that God is a God of time. By the time I contested to be the speaker, by consensus, I stepped down to be the deputy speaker. But I had all the qualities and the skills, the qualifications to be the speaker. But I had to step down. The Bible says humility is the best. And God is a God of time. So my time has come to be the speaker. Yes, there has been competitions with my brother. I call him Mayor Lalia, Honorable Wilson Agemo Otema. But I think it was just ceremonial, because even deep in his heart there, he knew that I work as a deputy speaker just by title, but actually I work as a speaker of this great division. Everything that happened here happened because I am an advocate. I advocate for what's supposed to be done. I led these honorable members. That's why a few who came back, who made it to this council, voted me overwhelmingly. So they were actually my campaign agents, because they saw what I did for them, and I promise I will continue doing it for them and for the people of La Ropeje City Division as a whole, for this great city. I want service delivery, we want transparency and accountability, integrity, and we want to promote zero corruption in this terms of office. And I'm very privileged to God for giving me a very wonderful mayor, Honorable Bear Gifter. We came from the same party, we campaigned together. We wanted her to be in that chair because we know who she is. Together with me, we shall work together because our vision, our mission are all the same. So therefore, I see that this council is going to be a great council. I am very happy. We have very competent councillors that will make my work very easy. I am once again very privileged. Thank you very much.